to order your magic bands if you want them for your upcoming trip. First of all, you would want to sign in right here. It would have an option that says login or create an account. You will do that. Once you've done that, you're going to come over here to My Disney Experience. Let's see. Oh, there we go. And then it will show up My Magic Bands and Cards right here. You will choose that option. Once you've done that, this is the screen you will see. A little information here about an industry-wide supply chain challenges. Magic bands are limited availability. So there's not much to choose from is basically what that means. And then you will click here, Get Started. And then you will want to choose a magic band for each guest. So normally it would say select right here. I've already chose one. Once you do that, it will bring you down here. It'll show you who you're choosing for. You just pick which one you like the best. And then you are able to personalize it if you'd like. You can put your name, mom, dad, whatever you think, and then complete. And then it will go to the next person. Let me show you one more thing. You can decline a magic band for anybody that you want to. When you go down, see right here, decline new magic band. You would just click that. And then once everything is good to go, you just proceed to checkout, and that's it.